If you're craving bomb seafood, I found a new spot worth checking out called the Crab Bay located in San Jose. I definitely stepped out of my comfort zone and I tried their garlic parmesan fried frog legs. But yo, they totally tasted like chicken wings and I'm not mad at it. Their sides are massive as well. My top picks were the jambalaya and the Cajun garlic noodles for sure. And for the final round, if you're feeling a little extra hungry, go for the combo 3. Girl, the king crab leg is crazy fat and juicy. And sheesh, their house-made sauce is fire AF. So if you're into bangin' seafood, don't forget to hit that bookmark.